Alright, we are ready to go. I am going to make some barbecue chicken Pouch O Noodles today. And we got 3 pounds of chicken breast, boneless, skinless chicken breast. I got some Sweet Baby Ray's. I'm using sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. 2 red bell peppers. And 2 large Vidalia onions. So, let me get these vegetables chopped up and I'll be right back. Okay, we got that all chopped up. I've just coarsely chopped all that. My 3 pounds of chicken breast. I'm just going to line the bottom of my crock pot with that. If I see any fat, I'll pull it off. I'm not too worried about it though. Like such. And we'll take our onions and peppers and put that in the crock pot. And I'm going to take my bottle of Sweet Baby Ray's. And I do have another bottle that we might use at the end of this. We'll see how this comes out. So I'm going to go ahead and put the whole bottle. This is a 18-ounce bottle. Alright, dump that into the crock pot. I like to put just a little bit of water in there to get rid of the last bit. Put a little bit of water in there and give it a good shake. We got to get all that goodness in there. Alright. So we're going to turn that on low and cook that for about 8 hours. I'll see you in 8 hours. Oh, we're going to cook that covered for 8 hours. I'll see you in 8 hours. Alright, that has been cooking for 8 hours on low. And it smells absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to turn that off. We're going to fish out our breasts. Like that. I'm going to let those cool down and then we'll shred them and put them back in the crock pot. I'll see you once they cool down. Okay, we got that all shredded up. Let's put it back in there. Put that in a mix. Well, that's pretty good. It's about the right consistency if we weren't putting this with noodles. We need enough liquid in our noodles to rehydrate the noodles and have a lot of flavor. So I am going to go ahead and put my second bottle of Sweet Baby Ray's in there. Yep, that is just right. Alright. Let me get my trays out and we'll get this trayed up. So I want 10 servings. I need 2 trays. We're going to divide these into 10. And I'm going to use 2 squares per meal. So that'd be 20 squares divided by, yeah. I need 2 trays. Alright, so let's put our dividers in here. Alright. That is my 20 squares, or 2 trays, medium, of my barbecue chicken. So I'm going to get those in the freezer and we'll come back and do our noodles. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so now on to the ramen. All I do with that is open the pack. Run a knife down the center there. Put them out on my tray. And we got 5 packs of noodles for 10 meal pouches. Each pack is 2 servings. That's that. I'm just going to stick these in the freezer with the barbecue chicken, and we'll run this through the freeze dryer at the same time. And if you haven't watched any of my other videos before, the reason I do that is because these are packed in very flimsy packaging, and I want to make sure that there's no moisture in there, and that's just something safe to do, is to run it through if I have room in the freeze dryer, which this time I do. So I'll get these all frozen solid and into the freeze dryer. There will go tomorrow, and next time you see it, they'll all be coming out. I'll see you then. Okay, got those all packaged and put away, and it is time for dinner. So let's open one of these up. Alright, so that is what it looks like on the inside. Let's get that O2 absorber out of there. So, pretty much I've found with these single meal pouches, we like to start off with 3/4 of a cup. I have a full cup of hot water from my Keurig here, but we're going to start off with 3/4 and see what that comes out like first. Alright, so I put 3/4 of a cup of hot water in there. Let's zip that shut. Alright, give that a little shake. We are going to let that sit for 2 minutes, and I'll be right back. Alright, there we go. That's the first 2 minutes. So let's give that a stir and see where we're at. Yeah, we are definitely going to add the rest of that cup of water. Give that a stir. Zip that shut again. And we'll let that sit for a further 2 minutes. I'll see you in 2 minutes. Alright, so we've let that set for 2 more minutes. Let's open it up, give it one final stir. looking good. So now I would like to tell you about my pouches. You may be new to my channel, just came across this and not seen my meal pouches that I used before, so I just like to tell you about them every time because I'm really happy with them. These are what they call a single meal pouch. They're 7 mil thick and they are wider than they are tall. That is ideal for a meal because then you can use it like a bowl and eat it straight out of the pouch like that. Which in a survival situation or camping or even at the office, if you don't want to wash dishes or anything, this is just the perfect solution to use one of these single meal pouches. Nothing to wash up afterwards. So I get these from topmylar.com and I buy these by the case. And topmylar.com has offered my viewers a very generous promotion code. So if you purchase anything from their website and spend $50 or more and use the promotion code BIBS, B-I-B-S, on checkout, they will give you $5 off of your order, which is a fantastic deal that they are offering for my viewers, and I really appreciate that, and I hope you all take advantage of that. So, that being said, I am not going to eat it from the pouch. I like to display it for you so you can see what it looks like. So let's get this out of the pouch and in my belly. Check that out. Oh man, that looks good. So let's dig in and see how well it tastes. There's a nice piece of chicken there. Let me see if that came back good. Oh yeah. Perfect. Looks like the noodles came back well. Oh yeah. Sweet baby Ray's too. I love that stuff. That is very good. It looks like a lot of barbecue sauce on there, but it's not overpowering. It actually is very nice. So that cup of water is just about perfect on that. John, I think you got a keeper here. Slow cooker chicken in the crock pot always comes back so well when reconstituting. And the ramen noodles always come out really well. Not soggy or anything. Just your typical ramen noodle texture. Let me tell you, I had a long day's hard work today, and this is hitting the spot. Those peppers and onions add just a really nice color to this. And of course flavor, but it really kind of brightens up the whole dish. Well, there was another easy one for you. Like I like to do them easy when I can, but full of flavor. I think anybody that likes barbecue chicken is going to love those Pouch O Noodles. That is delicious. Okay, another great success from John and Bibbs. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you try this one, and I look forward to seeing you next time.